In this video, we're taking a practical deep dive into why you should change your PLR ebook completely using AI, and how to do it step by step so you can build a unique product that fits your brand, stands out in a crowded market, and sets you up for future content, like courses and videos. We'll look at what PLR actually is, how to transform it with AI tools without sounding robotic, how to organize everything so your content stays clean and consistent, and how to turn your edited ebook into a separate document that can later be used as a video script for a future video course. By the end, you'll know exactly why full customization matters, how to do it efficiently, and how to prepare your content for repurposing into multiple formats with minimal extra effort. Hey guys, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. Here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we do product reviews as well as tips on how to make money online. If that sounds interesting to you, how about you smash the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Okay guys, let's go check it out. PLR stands for Private Label Rights, which is a type of license that lets you take existing content, like ebooks, articles, checklists, and courses, and edit, brand, and even sell them as your own within the scope of the license. In simple terms, you're allowed to modify the content, change the structure, add your name or brand, and package it for your audience as long as you follow the specific PLR license terms from the seller. PLR is great because it gives you a head start, it saves research time, and it helps you launch products faster, but it also means many other people might have the same base content, which is exactly why full customization is so important. Number 1, originality and differentiation. When you change PLR completely using AI and your own expertise, you create a unique version that reflects your brand voice, your audience's needs, and your personal experience, which makes your product stand out from all the unedited copies in the market. Number 2, quality control and accuracy. PLR can sometimes be outdated or too generic, so by reworking it thoroughly, verifying facts, updating stats, and adding current examples, you improve the overall quality and usefulness for your customers. Number 3, better engagement and retention. When your content speaks directly to your niche, uses the right tone, and delivers clear step-by-step value, people stick around longer, they take action more often, and they are more likely to buy from you again. Number 4, repurposing potential. A fully reworked PLR ebook becomes the backbone for checklists, templates, worksheets, slide decks, voiceover scripts, and even full video courses, which means the time you invest now multiplies into future content with less effort later. Number 5, license compliance and brand safety. Some PLR licenses require modifications or prevent you from using certain claims or author names, so a complete transformation helps you stay compliant while protecting your brand's reputation. Before you open any AI tool, start with a plan that defines your audience, the problem your ebook solves, the transformation you promise, and the tone you want to use, such as practical, friendly, and direct. Create a clear outline from the PLR table of contents, then decide what to add, what to remove, and what to reorganize, because a strong outline makes the AI output more consistent. Make a quick list of examples, use cases, and real-world steps you want to include, since these personal touches are what make your version unique. Number 1, work in sections, not all at once. Feed AI one chapter or even one subsection at a time, include your outline and notes for that part, and ask for a rewrite that keeps the meaning while matching your voice and target audience. Number 2, provide a style guide. Tell the AI to use contractions like it's, didn't, couldn't, and I'd. Keep sentences natural and flowing, avoid fluff, and maintain a clear, friendly tone that feels like a real person wrote it. Number 3, update facts and add sources. Ask AI to identify outdated stats, then replace them with current data, and when needed, add references or links that your readers will find useful. Number 4, infuse your brand voice. Share examples of your past emails, blog posts, or product descriptions, and tell the AI to match that tone so your rewritten content feels like you from start to finish. Number 5, run originality checks. After the rewrite, run a plagiarism or originality scan to ensure your version is unique and safe to publish. Number 1. Add fresh examples and case studies. Insert short case studies or realistic scenarios that reflect your niche and walk readers through what to do and what to avoid in each situation. Number 2. Include checklists and templates. Create simple, editable templates that readers can copy and use, like outreach emails, planning sheets, or content calendars, which increases the perceived value of your ebook. Number 3. Add step-by-step action items. At the end of each chapter, include a short action list that helps readers implement what they learned right away. Number 4. Use visuals and summaries. Add summary boxes, quick tips, and simple diagrams where appropriate, because these elements break up the text and make learning easier. Choose a clean font pairing, consistent heading hierarchy, plenty of white space, and logical chapter flow that moves from fundamentals to application. Use consistent styles for headings, subheadings, lists, and callouts, and make sure your links, references, and captions follow the same rules throughout. Export in the formats your buyers prefer, typically PDF for ebooks and possibly DOCX if you want people to easily take notes or customize checklists. After you've changed the PLR using AI, copy the edited content into a brand new, separate document that's formatted specifically as a video script for a future video course. This script document should be broken into lessons or modules, with clear learning objectives, talking points, examples, and short summaries that make it easy to record clean audio later. Write for speaking, not just reading, which means shorter sentences, natural phrasing, and clear transitions that will sound great on camera or as voiceover. Keep slide notes, B-roll ideas, and on-screen prompts in brackets in that separate doc, so when you're ready to film or narrate, your production flow stays efficient and focused. Number 1. Gather your PLR source files and license. Put everything into a project folder with subfolders for source, research, images, and outputs, then keep a copy of the license in the root folder for quick reference. Number 2. Build or refine your outline. Decide what to keep, what to cut, and what to reorganize, and add bullet points under each heading for key ideas you want to include. Number 3. Prompt the AI for each section. Paste the section, share your style guide, and ask for a rewrite that keeps the meaning while improving clarity, flow, and engagement without changing facts. Number 4. Edit the AI output manually. Read it out loud, fix any awkward phrasing, add your own examples, and ensure every claim makes sense for your audience. Number 5. Fact check and update. Replace outdated stats, add references if needed, and confirm that any numbers or tools you mention are still valid today. Number 6. Run an originality check. Make sure the content is sufficiently unique, then tweak any flagged areas to ensure a clean result. Number 7. Apply your brand voice and style. Ensure the tone, word choice, examples, and chapter flow match what your subscribers expect from product creation, formula quality standards. Number 8. Move the finalized content into a separate document for your future video script, break it into modules, and add talking points and slide notes. Number 9. Export the ebook, package your bonuses like templates and checklists, and prepare your sales assets. Always read your PLR license carefully, because some sellers restrict resale in certain marketplaces, or require attribution, or limit how you can redistribute editable source files. Avoid exaggerated claims or income promises, keep your examples realistic, and ensure your content helps users implement real steps they can actually follow. Set up a simple support channel, like an email address or help desk, so buyers can reach out with questions, which improves satisfaction and reduces refunds. Give your ebook a new title, a clean cover, and consistent brand colors, then keep your design modern and readable on both desktop and mobile. Write a short brand voice guide that covers tone, vocabulary, and level of detail, so any future updates or team members can keep everything consistent. Decide where this ebook fits in your funnel, whether it's a lead magnet, a low-ticket product, or part of a higher-value bundle, and outline the next steps you want readers to take. Number 1. Sell the ebook directly. Set a fair price based on the depth, outcomes, and bonuses you include, and consider adding a limited-time discount during launch to encourage early buyers. Number 2. Use it as a lead magnet with an upsell. Offer the ebook for free in exchange for an email, Then present a related low-ticket or mid-ticket product as an upsell to monetize new subscribers. Number 3. Turn it into a video course. Use the separate script document you created, convert chapters into lessons, and add slides, screen shares, and downloadable templates to increase value. Number 4. Add relevant affiliate recommendations. If you recommend tools or resources, include a clear disclosure and choose products you trust. Then place your affiliate links in the ebook and course resources for passive earnings. Number 1. Leaving the content mostly unchanged. If you barely edit PLR, customers will notice the generic tone and your product won't stand out, so commit to a full rewrite that adds your voice and value. Number 2. Using outdated information. Always refresh stats, tools, and examples, and remove any references that no longer apply to today's environment. Number 3. Poor formatting and structure. Use consistent headings, spacing, and visual callouts, which improves readability and increases perceived value. Number 4. Inconsistent tone of voice. Keep tone consistent across all chapters, and if multiple people help, share your style guide so the final product feels cohesive. Number 5. Ignoring license terms. Confirm what's allowed for resale, attribution, and source file distribution, and follow the rules to protect your business. Run through a QA checklist that includes clarity, accuracy, tone consistency, formatting, originality, and offer alignment with your target audience's needs. If possible, share a draft with a trusted peer or beta reader, ask for candid feedback, and make any needed edits before publishing. Bundle the ebook with useful bonuses like templates, checklists, and a quick start guide. Then prepare your sales page, delivery page, and support info for a smooth customer experience. Map chapters to lessons, define learning objectives for each lesson, and decide what you'll demonstrate on screen, whether slides, tools, or examples. Create concise slides that focus on key points, keep text readable, and use visuals that reinforce ideas without clutter. When you're ready to record, use your separate script document to guide pacing and emphasis. Then capture clean audio in a quiet space with a pop filter and consistent mic distance. Upload your lessons, add downloadable templates and worksheets, and write clear lesson descriptions that help students track progress. We covered what PLR is, why complete customization matters, how to use AI to rewrite with quality, how to organize your project, and how to move your edited content into a separate document that becomes a ready-to-use script for a future video course. Your next steps are simple. Pick a solid PLR source, plan your outline, rewrite section by section with AI and manual edits, run quality checks, format professionally, and build your separate script document for course creation. If you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button, as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not share, and also leave a comment down below and let me know. Just so you know, on the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a playlist of a series of videos that is a video course called Simple Product Creation. It's only 7 videos long, so it won't take you long to watch it. Plus, it's free. And if you look on the right side of the screen, you'll see an image of my head. Now if you click on that, you'll be able to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.